I add this one secret ingredient to keep my Tulsi plant happy. What is this? This is turmeric. Add a little bit of turmeric in your Tulsi plant once in a while and you will see amazing results. No pests and the healthy growth of the plant like this. Tulsi plant. One of the air purification plants, one of the low maintenance permanent plant, and one of the plants that you can keep it in your entrance. This is low maintenance permanent, very easy to grow plant. Only thing is make sure it get lot of sunlight. That means this plant grows well in the morning sunlight. It needs a lot of sunlight to grow. So friends, once you bring it from a friend of yours or from a nursery, make sure you keep it in a bright and direct sunlight area so that this plant will grow healthily and bushily. So if you want to know more about growing this amazing plant, Tulsi plant, there are many purposes of keeping this, many health benefits too about this beautiful plant. So must have plant in your garden, and let's see what are the care tips for this. So friends, welcome back to Tamara's garden. Today I will be covering up some tips about growing this beautiful Tulsi plant. Of varieties of Tulsi plant, this is Ram Tulsi. And I have seen the dark purple leafy plant Sham Tulsi, but at the moment I don't have it. I have this Ram Tulsi plant at the entrance of my home. This is an air purifier plant which grows from stems. So I will be doing a little pruning today, not hard pruning. So we'll see how I do it. You can pinch this plant on the top. So pinch it on the top for the plant to grow bushy and healthily. That is one thing. And do not throw away these leaves. You can keep them. The smell and the aroma is amazing. The leaves of Tulsi plants can shoo away the flies and insects. So when you keep it in your kitchen area, the aromatic smell can get rid of ants and cockroaches because the aroma is really amazing. So have this plant in your entrance. And also friends, time to time doing a small pruning like this. So I'm going to prune it from here. I'm going to prune this plant. Time to time pruning is a must so that the plant will grow healthily. So these stem cuttings I can grow back as well. So once you do the pruning, soft pruning, try to put them in water and propagate, or else put them directly in soil so that you will have many plants. Either you can gift them or else you can easily multiply them in your garden. When talking about soil, you need well-draining soil. You can add some sand to the garden soil and add some cocoa peat in it and some also turmeric in it so that you can keep pests away. And also friend, it is working as a fungicide. So that is the soil mixture. And this plant don't go to overwater. Do not water them on everyday basis. You can skip regular watering. So once the top layer of the soil gets dry, you can check the soil and water, especially if you have put it in a pot. So when you're putting it in a pot, also put it in a pot, medium sized pot, not a very small pot. So time to time then you will have to do repotting. And friends, time to time there are flowering in this plant. You will see seeds in it. You can grow back this plant by seeds also. At the moment my plant doesn't grow any seeds or flowers. Here I don't see any flowering. Aren't any flowering yet. So friends, when it started to flower, you will have to remove the flower once it get dried out. If you need more plants out of them, or else just cut it off from the plant for the plant growth. Because the plant energy goes to the flower and you will have to remove those flowers from the plant in order to make the plant healthy and bushy. So by that you can make more plants out of it as well. Today I covered up about the Tulsi plant, one of the air purifier plant, and also one of the plants that you can easily propagate in water and also in soil. And this sun-loving plant, keep in a bright indirect sunlight area once you bring it from a nursery or from a friend of yours, and one of the best house plants too. So friends, if you are new, consider to subscribe and don't forget to like it and share it with your friends.